Hello guys, this is Generation Unravel, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can share the link for your pictures in Google Drive. So all you need to do now is head over to your Google Drive. As you can see here, I already have my Google Drive opened. Click on the picture that you want to be sent, and then head over to the top right corner of the screen, click on it, click on share, and then you'll see some options here. You'll see that it's restricted. Can only be sent to the people that you have shared email with. So you can either go ahead on this top part of the blank, head over to this blank part of the window here, click on whoever you want to send the email to, say hello@gmail.com, or if you don't want to go through all that hassle and just send to whoever this person is without knowing this email, you can just click over to the restricted, select anyone with the link, and there you go. All you need to do now is click on copy link and send it to whoever you want to send the picture to. That is how you send pictures in Google Drive using a link. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, and subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel saying bye bye.